Welcome to the Right Edge Art channel. My name is Sulette. I believe that art is a skill and that skills can be learned. I have been teaching fine art basics to absolute beginners since January 2011. Links to my 3 instructional art ebooks, my website, and my Facebook page will be in the description below. Hi guys, sorry I haven't posted for a week or two. It was a bit hectic. I thought we can work on sharpening our observation skills for a bit, and that's what this video is about. Now, one of the topics that leans itself to sharpening of observation skills is drawing hands. I found this reference picture with a guitar just as a little bit of added interest. Now we have 2 choices here. We can either draw on a grid, which will help us with placements and proportions of the line drawing that we start with. In the case of a grid, we will obviously focus on the negative spaces in each block and go block by block. Okay, so if I choose to use a structural sketch instead of the grid, I would start by doing the curves of the guitar, only one line, one of the strings as a reference point, and a rough circle for where the hand should go. And you will see that I let this rough circle touch the thumb, the edge. We're talking about the edges now. The outline, the edge of the thumb, the edge of the ring finger, and one edge of one of the knuckles of the pinky. This is to give me a reference of how the hand fits into this rough circle when I start doing the actual drawing. Okay, so I've decided to go the structural sketch way to help me with proportions and placements. So I'm going to do that. Okay guys, I've finished the line sketch. I can work on it a bit more, refine it a bit more. I'm not going to add shading to this one because the purpose of the video was to practice observation skills. So I think I'm going to leave it like this, for now at least. I'm not gonna add shading. Okay, enjoy your week. Bye.